Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to schedule posts on your Facebook page in 2023. Scheduling posts on your Facebook page can save you time and ensure your content reach your audience at most optimal time. So in this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to easily schedule your Facebook page posts. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. In my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, I'm going to use Brave browser, but of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, of course, let's start by identifying what third-party tool that you are going to use. There is a lot of option. Among this option, I will suggest for you Sprout Social, Buffer, and later Hootsuite. So as you can see, we have three options here, three third apps or tools that will let you schedule the tools. So of course, let's just go through the pricing of each one of them, and depending on whatever suits you, you can go and open your account on whatever suits you. So, for example, this is going to be for Hootsuite. It's a bit pricey. As you can see, you'll find the features here. You can scroll down and read more information about it, or more features. You can compare between the plans. If it suits you, click on login. And then you can or create an account. If you don't have an account, same is gonna go for Sprout Social. It's gonna be a bit pricey also, as you can see for those features here. And if you want, you can log in or create an account. But the best and what I'm going to use in this video is Buffer because they have a free plan. So with $0. And but you can go and upgrade even to another plans. And as you can see, it's not even pricey as the other two. And the other two are popular also. So I don't know why people are using them. Maybe they are because they are professionals. So anyway, so once you choose whatever plan you want, you can simply go and click on get started or start my free plan. Or for me, I'm just going to log in into my account because I have an account. For you, you can go and create an account depending on whatever suits you. As an example, you can even go and use the scheduling feature of Facebook. They have that. You can access your Facebook page, then create a new post. And of course, once you are on Facebook page, you can click on create post button, which will usually located you will be located at the top page timeline, and this will open a post composer or composure where you can create your post. And of course, in the post composer, you can craft your post by adding text, image, videos, and link. Make sure to create and engaging content that resonates with your audience. After creating your post, you can look for the scheduling option within the post composer. It is usually represented by a drop-down menu with a clock icon. So you can click on the clock icon to access the scheduling feature, and you can simply from there to choose the date and time and the scheduling window. And you can choose the dates and time when you want to post to be published on Facebook page. You can set the post to be published immediately, or you can choose a specific date and the time in the future. For me, I cannot show you how to do that exactly because, as you can see, if I go to Facebook, my account is banned at the moment. It was banned yesterday for some problems that I don't know why, but they're reviewing my account at the moment. But for you, it's gonna be simple. You can simply go and open Facebook, go to create a post, and once you finish creating your post, you'll find like a clock icon there. Click on it to schedule your post if you don't want to use another app or tool. And from there, of course, you'll be able to schedule the post regarding whatever time you want. And of course, the post will be posted to or will be scheduled to go live on Facebook page at the design time that you choose. You can even view and manage the schedule posts. So by clicking, of course, on the publishing tools tabs, then schedule post section, and you'll find a list of the posts that you have scheduled from there. And you can make edits, reschedule, or even delete any scheduled posts if you want to. You can even monitor and engage with your audience. And as example, as your scheduled post goes live on Facebook page, you can sure to monitor its performance and engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. This interaction will help you strengthen your connection with your followers. If you want to use the tool as example, you can simply go to add channel here on this left panel, as you can see. And from here, you can simply go here to Facebook and click on connects. So you can see page or group. So if you have a page, make sure to choose page. If you have a group, make sure to choose group, whatever suits you. So for my example, I'm just going to choose page, and click on Start Connection. So as I said before, my account is banned, but for you, you'll have to simply log in into my account or connect your account here. Once it's connected, you'll find your account here on this left panel here, like TikTok. Here I have it. For you, you'll find Facebook. Of course, you'll be able to add like 3 channels, up to 3 channels on the free plan. If you want more, you'll be able, or you'll be able to do that if you upgrade your plan. So once you do so, of course, you'll find the calendar right here in front of you. Of course, you'll find this even before connection, but it's going to be useful starting from now once you have your channel connected. So once you have your channel connected, you'll find your calendar here, and you'll be able, so as you can see today, it's the 24th of Monday. You can schedule it at another time of the day. As you can see, we cannot schedule it at past times, so we can do that just on future times. So we can schedule it whenever we want here. So the last time is going to be 12 p.m. So as you can see here, we'll be able to schedule it whenever we want. Monday, at tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, or whenever we want, at whenever time we want. So as an example, I'm just going to choose this time, Wednesday, on like 6 p.m. Here, we can simply go and add our picture, our post picture, our video, whatever we want. We can add some caption, hashtags, depending on whatever suits us. Also, we can even use this integration to select media from. If we have like our picture in Google Drive or Dropbox, Google Photos, OneDrive, AppSlash, depending on whatever suits us, we can integrate that also and get the picture or video from it. And we can add some emojis, hashtags, as I said, and you can then click on schedule post and you will be able to schedule the post at that time that you choose. From here you can even edit it. Of course, you can always delete your scheduled post before it's being posted whenever you want if you come back here. But what does schedule draft do? So the schedule draft here will allow you to preview if everything is working correctly or as intended. If you want to, you can see how it's working correctly or not on your post. So you'll see your post, how it will show on the schedule draft. And if you preview everything, if everything is working as intended and correctly, you can simply instead click on schedule post instead of schedule draft, and you will be normally good to go. So that's gonna be it. So there you have it. Scheduling posts on Facebook page is a simple and effective way to manage your content and reach out your audience at the right time. You can use another tool, or even Facebook to do that. So by planning and scheduling your posts ahead of time, you can maintain a consistent presence on your Facebook page and focus on creating meaningful content. So happy scheduling and happy posting. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one. If you have any concerns or questions, you can always leave them down below in the comment section and I'll come back to you as soon as possible. And of course, so thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.